Hi, Assalamualaikum to my lecturer, Madam W.B.T and my fellow students.
Before we start, let me introduce myself first. My name is Amira binti Muhammad Daim. Today, I'm going to talk about Total Quality Management by Samsung Group.
I chose this topic because I want to learn more on how Samsung approached TQM to meet the customer's need. So, let me tell you a little bit about Samsung Group.
Samsung has their own vision and mission. The vision is inspire the world, create the future, and the mission inspire the world with our innovation technologies, product and design that enrich people's life and contribute to social prosperity by creating a new future.
Samsung Group is a multinational conglomerate company headquartered in Seoul, Korea. Conglomerate is a combination of multiple business entities operating in entirely different industries under one corporate group, usually involving a parent company and many subsidiaries. It was founded by Lee Byung-chul in 1938 as a trading company. Samsung entered the electronic industry in the late 1960s and the construction and building industry in the mid-1970s, which this area would drive its subsequent growth. Following Lee's death in 1987, Samsung was separated into four business groups, which is Samsung Group, Shishige Group, CJ Group, and Hansel Group. Since 1990, Samsung has increasingly globalized its activities. Electronics, especially its mobile phone and semiconductor, have become its most important source of income. As in 2020, Samsung is the fifth highest global brand value.
Before we continue to the TQM, let's understand the meaning of quality first.
Quality is a parameter that determines the superiority and inferiority of the product or services, which can be categorized as an attribute that distinguishes a product or service from its competitors. In other words, it is the ability of the product or service to meet customer needs. However, there are different views of quality based on several categories, which is user-based, manufacturing-based, and product-based.
Now, let's look at the total quality management.
TQM is the management of an entire organization to excel in all aspects of products and services that are important to ensure long-term customer loyalty and customer satisfaction. Experts propose Deming's 14 points that are used for implementing quality improvement. Here are 7 concepts that are used for an effective TQM program: continuous improvement, Six Sigma, employee empowerment, benchmarking, just-in-time, Taguchi concepts, and knowledge of TQM tools. The first one is continuous improvement. It is a never-ending process of continuous improvement which every aspect in operation can be improved. There is a circular model known as PDCA cycle, Kaizen, TQM, or zero defect. PDCA stands for plan, do, check, and act that describe ongoing process of unending improvement. Samsung continuously improves productivity by controlling variation in various processes in a stable way. It is implemented by a closed-loop methodology consisting of a selection of critical parameters, evaluation of the measurement system, monitoring of critical parameters, process capability improvement, and reaction plan. The main purpose of these activities is minimizing the deviation from the target. The second concept is Six Sigma. There are two meanings of Six Sigma. The first one is statistical definition of a process that is 99.9997% capable, 3.4 defects per million opportunities. And the second definition is a program designed to reduce defects, lower costs, save time, and improve customer satisfaction. Here is the Six Sigma improvement model known as the MAIC, which is define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. Samsung is perfecting its fundamental approach to product, process, and personal development by using Six Sigma as a tool for innovation, efficiency, and quality. Samsung Electronic Company, which founded in 1969, was sold its first product, a television receiver, in 1971. Since that time, the company has used tools and techniques such as total quality control, total process management, product data management, enterprise resource management, supply chain management, and customer relationship management. Six Sigma was added to upgrade this existing innovation and improve the company's competitive position in world market. Next is employee empowerment. It is getting employees involved in every step of the production process. There are 5 techniques for building employees empowerment, which are build communication network that include employees, develop open and supportive supervisor, move responsibility to the employees, build a high moral organization, and create formal team structure. Samsung helps their employees to think creatively and innovatively. They enable employees to nurture their own business ideas and give them the tools, the time, and the support to become fully fledged businesses. They also enable workers taking part in this program to dedicate themselves to their projects 100%. This encourages progressive thinking by giving workers the go-ahead to develop ideas and help to unlock their potential by doing some things they have never done before. This situation keeps Samsung at the forefront in innovation by taking a different approach. The fourth concept is benchmarking, which is selecting best practices to use as a standard for performance. There are 5 steps for developing benchmark. First, determine what to benchmark. Second, form a benchmark team. Third, identify benchmarking partners. Fourth, collect and analyze benchmarking information. And the last one is take action to match or exceed the benchmark. Samsung stands by its culture of continuous improvement and innovation, which are driven by the designers and engineers who have made Samsung's product the product of choice. However, Samsung followed the footsteps of Apple to match the benchmark. Samsung did not take the exact idea from Apple, but they improved on it and released them as their own ways. There is nothing wrong with a competitive analysis that are done in every industry. However, it is not right to take the analysis and steal from the competitors. The next concept is just-in-time or JIT, which is a system designed to produce or deliver goods just as they are needed. JIT is related to quality in 3 ways. JIT cut the cost of quality as well as improve the quality. Better quality means less inventory and a better, easier to employ JIT system. In Samsung, the staff will log in to the IT network and report the expected order for the next week and monthly expected sale, update the rolling monthly production plan, and sharing it to all local vendors. Production Planning and Control Committee (PPCC) analyze the weekly sales forecast, finish good inventories at all elements, good in transit, raw material, parts in stock, and pending order quantity. Next is Taguchi concept, which is a concept that aims to improving both product and process quality. The first concept is quality robustness, which is products that are consistently built to meet customers' needs despite adverse conditions in the production process. Second is target-oriented quality, which is a philosophy of continuous improvement to bring a product exactly on target. And the third one is the quality loss function, QLF, which is a mathematical function that identifies all costs connected with poor quality and shows how these costs increase as output moves away from the target value. The last concept of TQM is knowledge of TQM tools. There are 3 categories of tools which have different purpose. The first one is the tools for generating ideas, which is check sheet, scatter diagram, and cause and effect diagram. The second one is the tools for organizing data, which is Pareto chart and flowchart. And the last one is the tools for identifying problems, which is histogram and statistical process control chart. Now, we have reached for the conclusion. TQM is a key factor of success in a company. Every company that approaches TQM shows the good performance. TQM is not something that you can buy or something that you can tick off as complete in your business plan, but it is the way you run your business. It is very important for a company to maintain and improve the quality of the products or services to ensure long-term customers' loyalty and satisfaction.
So here I attach the references. That's all for today. Thank you for listening. Bye. Assalamualaikum.